Today we're tackling a transition word question on the ACT. Here's the sentence we're working with. A person's wealth or socioeconomic status can determine their health outcomes. For example, someone who cannot afford hospital bills might avoid the hospital even when they need care, leading to worse health outcomes. Let's go step by step using our 4-step process. First is the transition connecting sentences or paragraphs. In this case, it's between two sentences in the same paragraph. Now, what's the idea of the sentence before the transition? It says that wealth or socioeconomic status can determine health outcomes. What's the idea of the sentence after the transition? It provides a specific case, someone avoiding the hospital because of high costs. Lastly, let's look at what transition best shows the relationship between these two ideas. We're moving from a general statement to a specific example, so we need a word or phrase that introduces an example. The phrase, "for example," fits perfectly, because it shows that the second sentence is an illustration of the first. So the correct answer is no change. The original sentence is simple, clear, and completely supported by the ideas in the text. Remember, always match the relationship between ideas to the meaning of the transition word. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.